Hello students, our next lesson is words to watch. You are learning 4 words from this lesson. One is its. There are 2 its. One is its and another is it apostrophe s. And the other words do and make. We'll start with its, its. This is a possessive form. It is used to show possession, ownership, relationship, quality, etc. of something. We use it to say something belongs to someone. Let's see some examples. The table's leg is broken. Its leg is broken. The car's color is white. Its color is white. Here we write its without apostrophe to show the possession or ownership. Next is it apostrophe s its. It is a short form or contracted form of it is or it has. This is the short form or contracted form of it is in simple present and present continuous tense, and it has in present perfect tense. It apostrophe s its is always singular. We use it for a singular subject only. Let's see some examples. It's my book. It is my book. It's our work. It is our work. It's your pen. It is your pen. It's their garden. It is their garden. It's his bag. It is his bag. It's her toy. It is her toy. These are examples in simple present tense. Let's see some examples in present continuous tense. It's working. It is working. It's coming. It is coming. It's playing. It is playing. It's boiling. It is boiling. It's getting dark. It is getting dark. Let's see some examples in present perfect tense. It's done the job. It has done the job. It's worked fine. It has worked fine. It's completed in the evening. It has completed in the evening. It's jumped through the window. It has jumped through the window. Next is do. Do is the general word for actions. The present form of do is do. The past form of do is did. Past participle form of do is done. Let's see how we use it with different tense forms. The subjects are I, we, you, they, he, she, it. These are personal pronoun subjects. Let's see it with the subject I. Simple present tense, I do. Present continuous tense, I am doing. Present perfect tense, I have done. Present perfect continuous tense, I have been doing. Simple past tense, I did. Past continuous tense, I was doing. Past perfect tense, I had done. Past perfect continuous tense, I had been doing. Future tense, simple future tense, I'll do. Future continuous tense, I will be doing. Future perfect tense, I will have done. Future perfect continuous tense, I will have been doing. You can make the same table with other subjects: we, you, they, he, she, it. Next is make. Make is the general word for creating or producing things. Present, past and past participle form of make. Present, make. Past, made. Past participle, made. Let's see how we use this word with different tense forms. I'll take the subject they. Simple present tense, they make. Present continuous tense, they are making. Present perfect tense, they have made. Present perfect continuous tense, they have been making. Simple past tense, they made. Past continuous tense, they were making. Past perfect tense, they had made. Past perfect continuous tense, they had been making. Simple future tense, they will make. Future continuous tense, they will be making. Future perfect tense, they will have made. Future perfect continuous tense, they will have been making. Here also you make the same table with other subjects: I, we, you, he, she, it. That's your homework.